Hello beekeeping enthusiasts, welcome back to our channel. Today we are unveiling the Newton Hive, a cutting-edge sanctuary where curiosity meets brilliance in beekeeping. Let's start diving. The Newton Hive, named after the legendary Newton, is a modern hive and it is the most popular one in South India for rearing Apis cerana indica. This intricate system interconnected with various components. It has the bottom section, middle section, and the top section. It is the visual representation of Newton hive. Let's dive into the first component, stand. A sturdy support structure designed to elevate the hive off the ground. The pole stand and leg stand are the two types of classification. The pole stand is buried in the ground, whereas the leg stand is placed on the ground. The floorboard serves as the landing platform and entrance for our buzzing bees. The brood chamber plays a crucial role in the hive's life cycle. Here the queen bee lays her eggs and the worker bees nurture and care for the developing brood. Here the comb foundation seeds are present, facilitating efficient honey production. This picture showcases the stand to prevent the hive from ants. The bottom board serves as the base for Newton hive. It is a visual representation of brood chamber and brood frame. The device features evenly spaced gaps that allow worker bees to pass through while restricting the larger queen bees' access. The image captures a queen excluder placed between the brood chamber and the superchamber. The specialized section is designed for honey storage and extraction, is superchamber. This picture showcases the comb foundation sheet, often contains imprinted hexagonal shapes, mimicking the natural comb pattern. This image depicts a frame with a comb foundation. It guides the honeybees to construct uniform honeycombs. Moving on to top cover, it is a crucial component for hive protection. It typically features a pitched roof to allow rainwater runoff. It is the visual representation of superchamber and top cover. While speaking advantages, the pitched roof of the top cover helps to prevent water accumulation and protection from weather. A centrifugal honey extractor is a beekeeping tool designed for efficient honey extraction from honeycombs. Once the frames are secured inside the drum, the extractor is set in motion, spinning rapidly. The centrifugal force generated by the spinning motion causes the honey to be forced out of the cells and collect at the bottom of the drum. Go through the disadvantages. Stay tuned as we explore more components of the Newton hive, emphasizing efficient space usage and easy management for beekeepers. Don't forget to like and subscribe for buzzing updates on beekeeping innovation. You can get this PDF from the description box and also from Telegram channel.